In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use the cTrader platform on your iOS or Android mobile device. Whether you're new to trading or looking to transition to a mobile trading platform, this guide will walk you through the key features and functionalities of the cTrader platform for iOS and Android. Step 1. Download and install the cTrader app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account on ottmarkets.com, then click on the menu button on the top left and select cTrader. Then scroll down to select your device. For this tutorial, I will use an iPhone, so I click on iOS. I get automatically redirected to the App Store, where I have to download and install the cTrader application. If it's done, make sure to start the cTrader by tapping on its icon. Step 2. Log into your trading account on cTrader using your email address and the password for your cTrader ID. To log into your trading account on cTrader, tap on the blue button, Already Have cTrader ID, on the bottom. Enter your cTrader ID account credentials, including your email address and the password you have set up after the first trading account creation on ottmarkets.com. If you don't have a trading account yet, please watch the tutorial on how to create a trading account in our video tutorial library. After logging in, you'll be connected to all your trading accounts. The main screen typically displays your watch list, charts, and trading positions. You can swipe left or right to access different sections, such as your account information, trading history, and more. You may have multiple trading accounts associated with OTT Markets. Select the one you want to use from the list you find on the top mid. Step 3. Create a watch list with all your favorite markets. Tap the Watch List tab on the main screen on the top left. Create a new watch list by tapping on Popular Markets and then on Create Watch List. Add your favorite markets to your watch list. You can also add markets to your watch list by tapping the plus next to the watch list's name or the Add Symbols button. After you have added your favorite markets, you can edit your watch list by tapping on the little pencil next to the plus icon. Step 4. How to use the toolbar for your analysis and how to customize your chart. Tap and hold on a trading symbol in your watch list to open a chart. Tap on the Chart Period button on the bottom left to switch between different periods. Tap and hold the button to select your favorite charting periods. You can also switch between different chart types like Standard, Tick, Renko, Rangi, or Heikin Ashi chart and all the different periods. Let's go over the different chart types so you understand the difference. 1. The Standard chart is the most common type of chart, where price movements are plotted over regular time intervals, like minutes, hours, or days, resulting in bars or candlesticks that represent price activity during that period. 2. The tick chart works differently. Instead of time, tick charts represent a specified number of trades. We call them ticks. For example, a 5-tick chart will plot a new bar or candlestick after 5 trades, regardless of how much time has passed. 3. The Renko chart focuses on price movement, ignoring time and volume. A new block or brick is drawn when the price moves a specified amount of points or pips. This makes it much easier to spot trends and resistances. 4. If you are using the range chart, bars or candlesticks are formed after the price moves a predetermined range, such as 10 pips, for example. It provides a clearer view of market volatility, as the frequency of bars depends on the price movement, not time. 5. The Heikin Ashi chart is one of a kind when it comes to riding trends. It's a modified candlestick chart, where each candlestick is calculated using averages from the previous one, which smoothens out erratic price movements to provide a much clearer trend overview. It basically reduces a lot of noise, and it can help with your trade management strategy. The next button I want to show you is the Chart Type button. You can select your favorite chart rendering type. You can choose between candles, bars, dots, lines, and area charting types. Most traders use candlestick charts or bar charts to visualize the price movement over a specific period, because candlesticks or bars have the advantage that you can see the opening price, the closing price, and the high and the low of that specific period in every candle or bar, which can be an essential piece of information and indicator for your trading decisions. The next button I want to show you is the Indicator button. To add your favorite indicator, click the button and use the search bar, or simply select the indicator from the list that opens if you click on the search bar. To adjust the added indicator, tap and hold the indicator button, then select the indicator you want to edit or delete. To delete the indicator, you can use the trash can symbol on the top right. The next button is the New Order button. To open a position or place a pending order using the Quick Trade panel, just tap the New Order button once. You can select between Market Order, Limit Order, and Stop Order. Market Order is an instant execution to the actual price. Stop or Limit Orders are pending orders where you can select the price where you want to get involved. If you tap and hold the New Order button, the Advanced Order window will open, where you can also set your stop loss and take profit target before execution. I will show you how these different executions work in more detail in the upcoming steps. The next button is the Drawing Tools button. To quickly add a new drawing to the chart, tap on the Drawing button. You can draw horizontal lines, vertical lines, trend lines. You can draw price channels. You can draw Fibonacci retracements or Fibonacci extensions. You can add shapes like rectangles to highlight support and resistance zones. You can add text notes on your charts and more. Take your time to test everything out to see what you need for your analysis and trade execution. To customize or delete added drawings, tap and hold the Drawing button or tap the drawing on the chart to edit. The next button is the Crosshair button. You can use the crosshair to get precise prices for your entry and exit or your stop and take profit targets. And if you click on the triangle at the bottom, you can measure the distance to another price level. This can help calculate the pip distance between two prices. The next button is the Chart Settings button. Tap the Settings button on the bottom right to customize your chart. Here you can choose what you want to see on your chart and what not. For example, you can hide the tick volume at the bottom of the chart, or you can hide the grid in the background. Play around with these settings to find out what's important for you and what's not. You can hide and unhide easily by tapping on the buttons inside this chart settings window. Step 5. Open your first position with Market Order Execution. To execute a market order, tap and hold the New Order button. Then choose Market on the top left. Then choose Buy if you think the market will continue to go up, or Sell if you think the market will continue to go down. In the next step, you have to choose the quantity. The quantity is the trade volume, and it decides how much you will win or lose on every price movement. The bigger the number, the bigger the win or loss. If you activate the stop loss function and set it to a price level where the trade would no longer be valid, then you can see exactly how much you will lose when your stop loss gets hit. If you have a risk management strategy, this will help you to pick the correct quantity. And the same thing for the take profit target. If you activate it, you can clearly see how much you can make if the market hits your target. If you are happy with your inputs, you can click Place Order to finally execute the trade. For faster execution of a market order, you can use the Quick Trade window as well. Just tap the New Order button once, then choose the lot size you want to trade, and then click Buy or Sell for instant execution. To set your stop loss and take profit, you can tap on the trade on the left side of the chart and then drag and drop the stop loss and take profit where you want. Another way to modify your running position is from the Position window. Click on the arrow to go back, then click Positions, then tap the position you want to modify, choose Protect, and then set your stop loss and take profit targets. Step 6. Open your first position with Pending Order Execution. To place a pending order, tap and hold the New Order button. Choose Limit or Stop on top of the screen, depending on where you want to buy or sell. Let me explain what that means so it makes sense. If you want to buy at a price below the current price, you have to use a Buy Limit order. But if you want to buy at a price above the current price, you must use a Buy Stop order. In other words, if you want to trade a breakout, use the Stop order. If you want to get in on a pullback, use the limit order. The same logic is applied to sell orders. If you want to sell at a price above the current price, you must use a sell limit order. But if you want to sell at a price below the current price, you must use a sell stop order. In other words, if you want to trade a breakout, use the stop order. If you want to trade a pullback move, use the limit order. Pick the correct order type for your entry scenario. The next thing we need to set is the quantity. Again, the quantity is the trade volume, which decides how much you will profit or lose on every price movement. The bigger the number, the bigger the profit or loss. If you activate the stop-loss function and set it to a price level where the trade would no longer be valid, then you can see exactly how much you will lose when your stop-loss gets hit. If you have a risk management strategy, this will help you to pick the correct quantity. And the same thing for the take-profit target. If you activate it, you can clearly see how much you can profit if the market hits your target. If you are happy with your inputs, click Place Order to execute the trade. For faster execution of a pending order, you can use the Quick Trade window by tapping the New Order button once. Choose Stop or Limit Order and then select the lot size you want to trade. After that, drag and drop the trade inside the chart window to the price you want to get involved. Click Place Order when everything is set up. To set your stop loss and take profit, you can adjust the SL and TP price on the left side of the chart. Just drag and drop the stop loss and take profit where you want. Step 7. How to modify or close your open positions. You can see all your open positions by tapping the Positions tab. Tap on the position you want to modify. Select Protect on the top to modify the stop loss and take profit levels. To close a position, tap on the position and select Close. Another faster way to close is the blue X inside the Positions window. Just click it to close your position quickly. Step 8. How to set your first price alert. Price alerts are helpful if you want to get notified when a specific price level gets hit. To set a price alert, just swipe the navigation to the left and select Price Alerts. Then click the blue button, Create Price Alert. Choose the correct symbol, then select Bid or Ask. As the spread is low, it doesn't really matter which one you choose. Next, choose Higher or Lower, and then put in the exact price you want to get a push notification for. You have the option to write a comment as well. If everything is set up, click Create Price Alert. Make sure to double-check inside the settings if you have push notifications activated, and check on your mobile device as well if the app is allowed to send you push notifications. And that's it. With these insights, you are well equipped to make the most of cTrader's functionalities. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team on ottmarkets.com. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.
OTT Markets, official trading terminal.